please turn on your iPhone or iPad device, and check to make sure the date and the time are set up correctly and that Wi-Fi is turned on. Also ensure that the Apple location services are turned on under Settings, Privacy. This will make GPS and cellular location available on iPhone and iPad, Wi-Fi plus cellular models. When you turn on location services, you will see a list of apps that use GPS. Check that Allow Location Access for your CMT app is set to while using, or always. If you are using an external Bluetooth GPS receiver, you will also need to pair your iPhone or iPad device with a Bluetooth GPS receiver. To do so, first turn on the Bluetooth connection under Settings, Bluetooth on your iPhone or iPad device. Place your Bluetooth GPS receiver in discovery mode so its name will show up on your iPhone or iPad device. Tap on that name to make the connection. If the GPS receiver is connected to another device, please disconnect it from that other device before attempting to connect it with the current device. With your iPhone or iPad device turned on, tap on the icon for iGPS GIS2, iCMTGIS2, iCMTGIS3 or iCMTGIS Pro to run the app. When you start the app for the first time, it will ask you if you wish to open the help document. You may read the document at this time, or you could access it later by tapping on Help under the main menu. The app needs to have a file to work on. Therefore, when you start the app for the very first time, it will prompt you to create or select a job file. As an example, tap the little down arrow for the file name field, and select the CMTTUT sample job. Tap on the OK button to confirm. The app will display the main screen that shows any features or background map present in the currently active job. This is called the mapped view. When you tap on a feature, it will be highlighted in the default orange color. The feature ID and the location coordinates will pop up for a moment in mapped view. The map scale will be displayed in the active distance unit. Later, you will see that you can assign different symbols to represent your point, line and area features. To open another existing job file, tap the main menu icon, select Job then select Open Job. Select a job file to open, such as swcvo.pmp. The job files for this app have the PMP file name extension. Tapping on OK will open the swcvo.pmp job, and automatically close the previously opened job file. To create a new job file, first tap the main menu icon, select Job and then select Current Job or Open Job. Then, tap the New button. Accept the proposed file name, or enter a unique file name, and then tap the OK button. Let's type My Park in lowercase over the displayed file name. Once the proper file has been selected, and any optional information has been entered, tap on OK. If you are not sure which job file you are working on, select Main menu, select Job then select Open Job to view the file dialog window. The name in the file name box is the name of the active file. To cancel out of the screen for opening a file, simply tap the Exit button. Although you don't need a feature list to start collecting GPS GIS data using the CMT app, if you use a properly set up feature list, it will greatly facilitate your data collection task. Let's create a feature list in your CMT app. For reference, please download and print out the PDF file named featurelistexample.pdf. To create a new feature list, first tap on the GPS menu icon, select Feature List, and then tap on the New button. The Feature Topic section will be active. Enter the first feature topic called Tree. you may define the data collection parameters for each specific feature topic in the feature list. The tree feature topic is a point type. The data collection mode will be static time. Let's keep the session time at the default of 20 seconds. The distance field is irrelevant for this data collection mode. Double tap on the blue dot symbol and then select the tree symbol to represent the tree features. Change the color to green. To confirm, tap on OK on the iPad app, or the green check mark on the iPhone app. Tap the Save As button and then enter the file name, Parks, in the file name box. Tap on OK to confirm. You may define the attributes and value for each featured topic immediately after adding the featured topic. Or, you may add all the featured topics, and then define the attributes and value for each. Let's define the attributes and values for the tree featured topic. First, tap anywhere in the Attributes section to activate it. And then, tap the Add button to add the attribute, species, for the tree featured topic. We select List as the type for this attribute, because we would like it to take on a value from a list that we will define. Tap anywhere in the Value section to activate it. Tap the Add button, and enter Douglas fir as the first value for the species attribute. Similarly, add the values oak and pine. If most of the trees in the park are Douglas fir, then you could mark it as the default entry. iCMTGIS Pro provides the Activate Pattern checkbox. When you mark this checkbox, and then tap on the tree topic symbol, you will be able to assign a different symbol and color for each species. Now, tap the Attribute section, and then tap the Add button, to add Age as the second attribute for the tree topic. For the Age attribute, we will define two values: Young and Mature. Tap the Attribute section and then tap the Add button to add Height as the third attribute for the tree topic. We will define three height classes for the trees: less than 30 feet, between 30 and 50 feet, and greater than 50 feet. Tap the Save button to save what you have entered so far. Now, tap in the Feature Topic section and then tap on the Add button. Enter Sidewalk as the feature topic name. Please note that Sidewalk is of line type. We will be collecting data in the dynamic mode, with a time interval of 1 second between the recorded GPS fixes. Enter the list of values for the condition and surface type attributes. Please note that the values for path width are integers, not text. Therefore, we will select integer for the type field. The iCMTGIS2 and iGPS GIS2 apps do not provide the options for Activate Pattern, Type, and Integer digits. Again, tap in the Feature Topic section and then tap on the Add button. Enter Parking Lot as the feature topic name. Please note that Parking Lot is of area type, and we will be collecting data in the dynamic mode, with a 1 second interval between the recorded GPS fixes. There will be no list of assigned values for the number of parking spaces. Instead, you will define the limits of a range of integers. To do so, select Range for the type field. The Lock checkbox will be automatically marked for the attribute. This means that, during data collection, the values entered will always be checked against the defined range for data validity. Enter the minimum value of 20 and the maximum value of 60. You will also be able to enter a default value, to be displayed during data collection. If you know beforehand that most of the parking areas were designed to accommodate, say, 30 cars, you could enter 30 as the default value. Tap the Save button to save what you have entered so far. In the same way, complete the feature list by defining the data collection parameters, attributes and values for the other feature topics. Please note that we have appended a dash symbol to the zone attribute for the seating area feature topic. This is because zone is a reserved word in the app. By adding a dash to the attribute name, we have turned it into a permitted variable. Tap the Save button from time to save what you have entered so far. If you wish to lock the values associated with an attribute, then in the Attribute section, tap the Lock checkbox for that attribute. When this option is chosen, you may only select from the defined values, and not be permitted to enter any odd value to describe the feature. After defining the attributes and values for the feature topic that you have added, if you need to define another feature topic with a similar attribute and value setup, then you can save time by using the Duplicate function. You will need to change the duplicated feature name to a new unique name yourself. To do so, double-click on one of the duplicated feature topic names, then type over it. If you mark the Feature Lock checkbox, then during data collection you may only record data for the features defined in the feature list. If you want to be able to add a feature topic on the go, then leave this checkbox unmarked. After completing the feature list, tap on the OK button to save any changes and close the screen. If you tap the Cancel button, then the screen will close without saving the last changes to the data. On the CMT iPhone app, the Cancel function is represented by a red cross symbol.